Next question is simplify. In simplify question, now students see, in simplify question, second question I am doing, first is your homework. क्योंकि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में सिंपल है, आपको इतना हार्ड नहीं है. अगर आपको ये समझ में आ गया तो यू कैन सिंपली डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ 8 minus 4 1/2 minus 2 1/4. Our first step will be, yes, guess. You will convert it into improper fraction. So I can write like this: 8 minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 will be 9, 9/2 minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 will be 9. So 9/4. Now class, in the previous questions only two fractions were given to you. तो आप क्या करते थे, दो का एलसीएम निकालते थे. यहाँ पर क्या डिफरेंस है, यहाँ पर आपको 3 का निकालना है. So instead of finding out 2 LCM, you can find out 3 LCM and it is easy for you. Here it is nothing is written. So what will come here? 1. So let's take out the LCM of 2 and 4. 1 इसलिए नहीं लिख रही हूँ क्योंकि 1 का LCM 1 ही होगा. 2 and 4 का हम निकालेंगे. इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी सिंपल. 4 करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अब मैंने लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी है तो कर देती हूँ. सो 2 1 जा 2 and 2 2 जा 4. सो योर आंसर विल बी 4. ओके, सो you will copy down this question. That means 8 minus 1 minus 9/2 minus 9/4. Okay, now in one's table, how many times 4 is going? It is going 4 times only. So let's multiply by 4. Now in 2's table, 4 is going how many times? 2 times. So let's multiply by 2. And in 4's table, of course, it is going in the 1's table. 4 1 ja 4. 8 4 ja 32/4 minus 9 2 ja 18/4 minus 9/4. You will write 4 only one time, and up you will write 32 minus 18 minus 9. Okay, now subtract it. 32 minus 18 will be subtracted. 2 minus 8 you cannot do. So here it will come 12, and 12 minus 8 will be 4. मेंटली करने की हैबिट डालो, और यहाँ पर कैंसिल होके 2 हो जाएगा तो 2 minus 1 will be 1. 14 minus 9/4. So 14 minus 9 will be 5/4. This is your answer, or you can write 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 will be 5. Am I clear to you? Okay. Now student, last question I am doing of today's class. We will start word problems from tomorrow. Okay. So again, question number 3rd is 8 5/6 minus 3 3/8 plus 1 7/12. First of all, what you will do? You will convert it into improper fraction. So 8 6 ja 48. 48 plus 5 will be 53 minus 8 you will write down. 8 3 ja 24. 24 plus 3 will be 27 plus 12 1 ja 12 plus 7 will be 19. Yes or no? Now you will take out the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. You will equalize the denominator. So 6, 8 और 12 का एलसीएम जब आप निकालोगे तो यू विल टेक 2, 2 3 जा 6, then 2 4 times 8 is coming, and 2 6 times 12 is coming. Again you can take a number 2. 3 you will write as it is because it is not going in the table of 2. 4 2 times 2 3 ja 6. Again you can take 2 because 2 is remaining, and in the last 3 1 ja 3. Am I clear? So your LCM will be 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and 8 3 ja 24. Is it clear? So you will write 53 upon 6 minus 27 upon 8 plus 19 upon 12. Now in 6 tables, how many times 24 is going? 4 times. So multiply it by 4. 8 3 ja, and then 12 2 ja. Yes or no? 8 3 ja 24, 12 2 ja 24. So 24 will come down. 3 4 ja 12, 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 1 will be 212, minus again 24 you will write down. 7 3 ja 21, and 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 will be 8. Okay, plus 12 2 ja 24, and 19 2 ja will be 38. Is it clear? Okay, so now our denominators are same, so you can write it down once. 24, 212 minus 81 plus 38. ठीक है, अब आप लोगों को इंटीजर्स जब आते हैं तो मैं डायरेक्टली कर रही हूँ, अदरवाइज आप बॉडमास रूल के अकॉर्डिंग करते थे पहले कि 212 प्लस 38 करते थे, फिर माइनस करते थे. आई एम डूइंग डायरेक्टली. 2 minus 8 will be 2 minus 1 will be 1. ना 1 minus 8 आप नहीं कर सकते हो, तो यहाँ पर आप 11 लिखोगे और ये 1 बन जाएगा. ठीक है, तो 11 minus 8 will be 3 and 1. So your answer is coming as 131 plus 38 upon 24. Now 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 3 6 and 1. Okay, 169 upon 24. Is it clear? Now you can convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, let's convert. अब 24 दिया हुआ है तो you will write 24 here. जब आप 24 का टेबल देखोगे तो 24 7 times 168 is coming. जब आप 24 7 जा करोगे तो आपका आंसर आ रहा है 168, and it is less than 169. So you will write 24 7 ja 168, and 1 is remainder. So your answer will be 169 upon 24 or 7 1 upon 24. Okay, is it clear to all? You will complete this work in your classwork copy, and whatever questions, remaining questions, you will do in homework copy. Goodbye.